What is a risk matrix for project managers? Imagine trying to navigate a busy city without a map or GPS. You might get lost or stuck in traffic. In project management, a risk matrix acts like that map, guiding you through potential hazards. It helps you see which risks could cause the biggest problems and where to focus your efforts. A risk matrix is a simple grid used by project managers to organize risks visually. One side of the grid shows how likely a risk is to happen, called probability or likelihood. The other side shows how much damage it could cause, called impact or severity. When you plot risks on this grid, you get a clear picture of which ones need quick attention and which are less urgent. Think of a risk matrix with 3 levels for probability: low, medium, and high, and 3 levels for impact: low, medium, and high. If a risk is very likely and could cause major damage, it lands in the top right corner of the grid. That risk becomes a top priority. On the other hand, a risk that is unlikely and would cause little trouble stays in the bottom left corner, needing less focus. Many teams use color coding to make the matrix easier to understand. Risks marked in red are high and need immediate action. Yellow indicates moderate risks, and green shows low risks. This visual system helps everyone on the team grasp the risk situation at a glance. To create a risk matrix, project managers first list all possible risks. They might brainstorm with the team, review past projects, or ask experts. Next, they set clear scales for probability and impact so everyone rates risks consistently. Each risk is then rated and placed on the grid. The team reviews the placements to ensure accuracy and updates the matrix regularly as the project progresses. A common type is the 5x5 risk matrix, with 5 levels for both probability and impact. This allows for more detailed assessments and finer distinctions between risks. The scales and categories can be adjusted depending on the project or organization needs. The risk matrix is not a one-time tool. It's a living document that should be revisited often. As conditions change or new risks appear, their positions on the matrix may shift. Regular updates keep the team focused on the most important threats. Mastering the risk matrix is a key skill for project managers. It makes communicating risks easier with team members and stakeholders. It supports better decisions by showing where action is needed most. It also helps use limited resources wisely to protect the project. Using a risk matrix involves teamwork. Project managers work with their teams to identify and evaluate risks. They use the matrix to guide discussions about how to respond. Clear definitions and consistent ratings are vital to avoid confusion. Proper documentation ensures everyone understands how risks were assessed and why certain actions are taken. Overall, the risk matrix is a vital tool in managing project risks. It provides a straightforward, visual way to identify, prioritize, and address potential problems. It helps project managers lead with confidence and keep their projects on track.